are a few tips for mastering your needle threader. So first off, it's this little lever that comes down and then rotates towards you, where a little piece of metal small enough to get through the eye of the needle is going to come and get the thread and pull it through. Now, before I get into all of this, a couple things that will help you. Number one, make sure your needle is at the highest position. So if that means just taking and touching the button to put the needle down and needle up, that will make sure that this is lined up with the hole of the needle. Now, if you ever come down and that is not lined up, I'm wondering if you don't have the needle high enough up into this area. So loosen the screw, lift it up, and make sure it's at its highest position. This will save you actually a lot of problems should you accidentally start sewing with your needle too low. So I always say use your needle threader to check that and make sure everything is correct. Next, you can lower the presser foot. This will give you two things: a little bit more room down here with your hands, and number two, by lowering your presser foot, there's a little tension, because the tension discs close on this thread, for you to have a little resistance. So here's the steps. You're going to come down about halfway and then hook the thread underneath this lever here. Then bring the needle threader all the way down and wrap it towards the needle. While it's sitting there, that's when you want to give the needle threader the thread. So lift up, not back, just lift up gently, and then twist the needle threader away from the needle. Now, don't forget to let go of the thread that you're holding on to. Otherwise, it can't pull through and leave you the little loop to pull out the back side. Because if you hold too tight, well, nothing happens very easily. So once again, we'll just do a quick little, you come down halfway, rotate the needle threader towards you, then put the thread in, not before, and then twist it away so the loop can be pulled through.